Ko taranaki te maunga, ko au te waka, ko tānga hoi te iwi, ko Ngāti Tupā te hapu. Ko Waukina te papakaanga, a ko te Haana Paewai tōku ingoa. Yeah, I tupu ake ai ki tāni waka, tēnei work, no kona tōku pāpā, ko rangi tāne te iwi ko Ngāti Tupā te hapu, o kona. Aeni haere au ki te kohanga rea o tāni waka, mai kona ki te kura kaupapa Māori tānu ati ki te wharekura. O tamaki nui arua, te kura kaupapa Māori o tamaki nui arua. I've always liked doing art, I guess. All of our teachers at Wharewananga gave us like different advice, but it all kind of worked together. Israel Birch, she said, which I really liked him as a teacher, the main thing that you want to do is you want to play and experiment and see what you can do with that. Whaerena said, kaupapa first, and then your medium will follow that. And then Whakura would always say, the medium will come after the kaupapa. So that's how I like to work on my stuff, based on those teachers. My koko, he passed at the beginning of level 3 lockdown, and his tangi was at the beginning of the level 2. My whānau grabbed some kawakawa leaves and they put it pretty much as a barrier between my koko and the whānau pani, the manuhiri and the paepai. I liked how we took, he tikanga Māori and we applied it to today. And then my teacher told me that was a really impactful part of the whole thing, and she said just to really focus on that. Nā reira, koina te timatanga o ku whakaro moina mahi I rora. Yeah. And then from there I just went, he mea ora, he me mate, and I just looked at the rau